Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ronan Vico. In this video, I'm going to teach you how can you have just one person working at a specifically document at a time. So let's say here, for example, I have Ronan and Adels, and I can have more people, right? I can have like 10 people in my team, and all of that needs to work at a document, but I want to make sure this document is going the right way. It's like it's a really important document, it's really important Excel file, and just one person at a time will do their job, right? They will do their job, and after they finished, it will move to the next person to do the next job. The default settings of a library on a SharePoint is that I, as Adele, can work in the document, and I, as Ronan, can also see the same document and work at the same time. So here at the left, I can write banana, and I can see that on the right window on the Adele's account, the same work. That's good, and a lot of times this default setting is the best setting. Multiple colleagues working at the same file, more productivity, and also less time spent waiting to someone finish their job, right? But in some cases, I need to do my own job without any other colleague messing me up or getting my way. To do that and guarantee the historic of edits so I can see who edit exactly what, and also just one person edit at a time, I need to change a library setting. So I can go right here in library setting, more library setting. Of course, you need to be an owner of the site. Here at the versioning settings, we can change as a pretty cool setting. That is, you can ask for a check out before they can be edited. So basically, to have just one person editing a document on the library, so this is a setting for all the library, you need to change that to yes. Since we are here at the settings, I also want to teach you that it's exactly here that you can have minor versions of the files, not just major versions like version 1, 2, 3, 4. You can have minors like 1.1, 1.2, and also you can change the max number of major versions, because sometimes you want to not expand a lot of storage in your SharePoint. You can change that if you know that is a big file, for example. Yeah, here you can change that, okay? But right now, let's focus on the check it out before they can be edited. I will click OK, and with these settings set to this library, so let's start the edit process right now. In the Adele's account or in the Ronan, the first one who needs to initiate the process of editing, go to the three dots, more, and check out the file. The item is checked out. Here we can see this arrow, this red arrow points down, and that way you know that you checked out this file. And at the other accounts like Ronan here, you can see the file is checked out. What does this mean? This means that when I open here in this Ronan account, if I try to edit, I am not able. This document was open in read-only mode. So basically, the only person that can work at this document right now is Adele. And if I click edit the document, it will not be able. If you move your mouse to the icon, you will see the owner of the checkout. So you can see the Adele Vance checked out this item. So you can go to the teams and talk to this person, right? So Adele can open the doc and edit. So let's say that I will write here the word Apple. And after that, I will close the file. And now I can check out. And now she can check in the file on the more right here, or discard the checkout. Let me move a little bit more to the right here. So basically I can cancel what I did, the word Apple that I just write it down on the document, or I can check in and save what I did, the work I did on the file. Both of them are available. I will check in, I will save the word Apple that Adele just write it down on the document. And here I can like say a comment. I will describe, I just write it down the word Apple and check in. With that, the document will be available. If I refresh the page, I can see that the document now is available, and I can now go as Ronan and click in more and check out the document because it is available and start my own job. Here I will delete the word banana and write the word toothbrush. Okay, I will close the file and also I will check in. So I will comment, okay, I deleted banana and write it down toothbrush and check in. And now the document is available again. This can be useful to your daily, but also if you click on the three dots and go to the version history, there is a plot twist here. I can see all the comments and the versions and also the dates. With that and also the comments, we can know who added the file, what was added, and I can restore. So I can, for example, go back to this version. Let's go back to the version number 4 right here, restore, and with that, this document will be restored. Oops, I cannot restore it because it's not checked out. So I need to check out the file. So log in so I can edit. So let's go. I will check out the file. Now I have the access to edit. Can go again at the version history, and now I will be able to restore for the version number 4. I will click OK here, wait a little bit, and here is it. With that, I will have the version number 8 like we saw. When I open here, I do not have the word Apple, I still have the word banana, and the version was restored. With that, I can check in and make it available to the next person to work with again. Or I can discard the checkout. Let's test it. If I discard the checkout right now, the version that I just restored was discarded. If I open this Word again, this Word document again, we will see the apple still here and the toothbrush because I restored it, but I did not check it in. I discarded the check out. So the version was not restored. I did this just to show you that you can have like more security working with versions and just one person working at a time. That way, if it's a really important document, you need to have like steps to be made on this document. Maybe this video can be really helpful to you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below if you understand what I tried to teach you in this video. If you have any questions, also leave down below and write down the word Apple so you know that you watch it to the end as a way of knowing what the video completed. If you want to learn more about Microsoft 365 and Power Platform on the best courses, just click the first link at the description and use my coupon code to have a huge discount. If you need any support on developments or your digital transformation, can send us an email. Our email is also at the description. Hit the thumbs up, share this video, and thank you so much for watching. We see you in another video, in another class, and please consider to subscribe.